Namaste. I Jeevin Borguel from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic. Today we are going to discuss on the session ICRU 50 terminology. In the course Radiotherapy 4th, let me discuss in the ICRU terminology. In 1978, the International Commission on Radiation Unit and Measurement (ICRU) recognized the need for a general dose specification system that could be adopted universally. Although the system proposed by the ICRU has not been universally implemented, there is a substantially advantage in adopting a common method of dose specification. In this section, we present the highlights of the ICRU proposal. There are various volumes that the ICRU report 50 recommends to be identified in a treatment plan. ICRU volume A. Several volumes are defined by the ICRU for describing the treatment field or treatment field where the radiation where the treatment done by the radiation. First is the gross tumor volume. It is also called GTV. GTV is the gross demonstrable extent and location of the tumor. It may consist of primary tumor, metastasis, lymphadenopathy, or other metastasis. Means it includes the primary tumor, metastatic tumor, or other metastasis. Means spread of tumor. Delineation of GTV is possible if the tumor is visible, palpable, or demonstrable through imaging. GTV cannot be defined if the tumor has been surgically removed, although an outline of the tumor bed may be substituted by examining pre-operative and post-operative images. Second is the clinical target volume (CTV). CTV consists of the demonstrated tumor if present and any other tissue with preassumed tumor. It represents therefore the true extent and location of the tumor. Delineation of CTV assumes that there are no tumor cells outside this volume. The CTV must receive adequate dose to achieve the therapeutic aim. Third is the internal target volume (ITV). ICRU report 62 recommended that an internal margin be added to CTV to compensate for internal physiological movement and variation in size, shape, and position of CTV. Clinical target volume during therapy in relation to an internal reference point and its corresponding coordinate system. The volume that includes CTV with these margins is called ITV. Internal target volume. Fourth is the planning target volume. The volume that includes CTV with internal margin IM as well as setup margin SM. For the patient movement and setup uncertainty is called the planning target volume PTV. To delineate the PTV, the IM and SM setup margin are not added linearly but are combined rather subjectively. The margin around CTV in any direction must be large enough to compensate for internal movement as well as patient motion and setup uncertainties. So, last is the irradiated volume. The volume of tissue receiving a significant dose. Example greater than for an example greater than or equal to 50% of specified target volume is called the irradiated volume. The irradiated volume is larger than the treated volume and that depends on the treatment technique used. The session is over. I hope you all satisfied with this session. If you have any queries, then mention it into the comment box. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.